glad I have also here on Catch Up Talks with us. And first,
thank you so much.
I would just like to begin by just hoping that your lockdown has been quite, at least like as productive as it can be. But I would like to know from all three of you how it was in your own words. So Santana, can we go with you first?
Yeah, it's actually this lockdown and work from home has not been like work from home for us at all, because we worked like double, triple of what we actually do outside. So it's been really, really hectic. It's been pretty hectic.
Work on behalf of others as well. So you're directing and you're the cameraman and you're the light person and everything. And you really have to like kind of get your family on your side and be like, can you shoot this for me once, like this one time? So
Yeah.
everyone at home is quite fed up. My brother is almost like a professional cameraman now. And very soon I think he's going to start asking for a cut of everything I do or what I earn. So yeah, I think it's pretty interesting. But definitely productive. I know my friends who've like, they've exhausted themselves and they're like, oh God, we're so bored, we're dying of boredom, what to do? But I think we've been fortunate that way that, you know, we've constantly, all three of us, kept in touch and we're almost talking every day and we're doing work every day. It's been quite productive, I'd say.
Okay. What about you, Smriti?
Almost same. The both of them have already said it. It was almost like similar because constantly the three of us we were like regularly in touch and, you know, kept on, you know, discussing whatever is going on and how things are going on and all. And yeah, I mean, work from home was quite a very different and very exciting experience because, you know, you had to actually manage everything, doing your household work plus your office work, and the work was like almost double now. It already increased because, you know, there are like different things which keeps on happening and it keeps affecting your, you know, work graph and all. So we had to like constantly we had to maintain that as well. So we had to work more on each and every aspect and everything. And yeah, it was quite an amazing experience. And yeah, of course, let's say my brother also became a very expertise in now handling the camera and everything. And of course, he has already asked me, "Bhai, give me a monthly pay cut or ask your company to, you know, pay me for this also," because he literally, you know, he had and I'm grateful to have him and, you know, people so supportive at my place who are like encouraging, "Ha, ki theek hai, it's okay, you know, you are working and we respect that." They gave us our working space.
Since you all said, you know, कि in सबका help लेना पड़ रहा था, and there were so many different new aspects that you all had to deal with. So if there is one learning that came out of this, what would it be for either like all three of you? Janvi, would you like to go first?
A learning?
Yeah. Or like one, maybe like a trick that you picked up, lighting ka coach, or, you know, something that you didn't focus on before, but now you had to sort of learn. Like that one thing or a couple of things if you'd like to mention.
I think when you're at home, you kind of take your schedule for granted, and it's very easy to kind of let that aspect of your life be disbalanced. Oh, we're at home, you know, I mean, like I'll get out of my bed and get ready in 5 minutes and all that stuff. So I think what I learned and I'm still trying to achieve is to establish a proper discipline when it comes to your schedule. Like, go to bed on time, get up on time. See, you know, like when you have to go out, there's an obligation. So you know that, oh, you have to be ready by then because you have to leave 1 hour before you reach a so-and-so destination. Otherwise, you'll be late. But I think here it's different. You know, you can adjust things according to your comfort, and that kind of makes you a little laid back, which I didn't really like a lot. So like I was trying to get that in place. I think to discipline, that was one thing that I tried to learn. And also to like butter up my brother properly and the right things to say to him to get my work done. I think that was also something that I learned.
Okay. What about you,
staying
Smriti?
at home.
Yeah, actually, I learned one thing very well, that how to do your own makeup. I believe I have become an expertise in that. I can give proper demo sessions for that. I've kind of tried getting some workout and yoga into
Oh,
my
that's
routine,
great.
so that I just don't want to become a couch potato wala thing. But anyhow, like we keep on dancing and all, so वो वैसे ही हट जाते हैं, but
I
still
think
एक proper
workout is
routine.
sorted for you guys in that way.
Yeah.
What about you, Santana?
Yeah, I mean, what all they've said, that's really true, because at home procrastination takes over you completely, and it's so difficult to get out of lazy, because you're at home, you're on your bed the entire day, and you're like, अभी करूँ नहीं नहीं थोड़ी देर बाद अभी करूँ नहीं 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 नहीं. So you're like
Schedule
constantly
changes, no?
in that
Yeah.
procrastination mode. You're like अभी थोड़ी देर बाद because you take advantage of sitting at home and like you have the entire day. So yeah, that's the learning. There's a lot to learn. Otherwise, also lighting, camera, setup, everything. Like we all said, we've all been doing everything. Now we can work in the production team very easily. We can do everything.
I think that's great. Okay,
Like,
so
there's a lot of.
okay, so since the first time Pratyusha and I started discussing about doing this video call with you guys, the one question I wanted to ask you was why Cherry Bomb? What is the deal behind the name? Can you tell me?
So basically, cherry bomb, cherry is symbolic for women and women power, feminism in general. So cherry is that. So that's what it means. That's the symbol
Okay.
of feminism. And bomb is basically just an explosion, a pataka, and very like usually we associate bomb as something that's negative also. But for us, bomb is like something that it has so much of power to take
Yeah.
over so much. So
Very energetic, very
yeah,
positive,
energetic
very
and
out there,
explosion.
and very strong.
I think in
Yeah.
if you had to sufficiently put it, I think it would be sugar and spice and everything nice kind of thing. Like
Yeah.
it's embracing all aspects of women, and it's in like it's a cute way of. I mean, it sounds very cute, but like it's a power packed name. Like it sounds like that. Like don't take it.
Yeah.
Don't think it's
Don't
easy.
take us lightly.
Yeah, every
Yeah.
element of a girl or a woman is there in it. Matlab, the girls are cherry, but they're also bomb, guys. So don't
The
think
subtleness
light.
and the power.
What was the feeling before, like the first video for three of you sort of happened? And can you tell me a little bit about that?
We all started off as dancers in our own dance societies. We're all from Delhi University, and we were in different colleges, and we all were in our dance societies, and that's basically how our thing for dance started individually. It started long before that, but I mean that's how we kind of got to know of each other, and then we heard that Rusk Media was holding. There's this company that's holding auditions for and dancing and singing, and because we were in like a similar circuit, so we kind of heard about it, and then we went ahead and auditioned for it, and here we are.
The Rusk Media basically provided us a platform for what all we wanted to do.
Three of us, we were like somewhere individually on our ends. We were like seeking for some or the other platform to be there and keep our talents in front. So luckily, yeah, the three of us are here, and yes. So yeah, this is, and talk about our first video. I mean, oh my God, I cannot tell. That was one of the best feelings in my life ever.
I'm too busy crying after what Smriti has said. I'm very emotional.
It was our first video. It was our baby. It was like we were giving birth to our first baby all together. And it's very special like that. And the most important thing is the three of us, I don't know how. So we're three girls, and for everyone out there, they know कि अंदर बहुत हो रहा होगा, but guys, nothing is no negativity at all over here. I don't know how we just clicked. So yeah, touch wood.
Yeah.
Touch wood.
We don't want to fix that.
I guess it's almost 2 years, guys. So
Almost
yeah,
2 years.
it's the time we didn't even realize. And now we cannot like literally we cannot be without talking to each other. ऐसा लगता है कुछ अगर शूट भी नहीं करे तो चलेगा, बट अगर हम तीनों ने बात नहीं करी हो ना तो इट सीम्स लाइक यार कुछ हुआ नहीं है आज, कुछ शेड्यूल में से ना कुछ
come to a standstill, it seems like.
There's some void.
There are so many upcoming or aspiring creators as well. To have a team where animosity does not exist is really great. Okay, so you said, Santana, that, and all three of you actually said it, that it was very special. Your first video was extremely special for you guys. But वो होती है like feeling कि यार viral हो गए या famous हो गए, वो वाली feeling, when did that come in for you guys? वो कब हुआ था?
मैं तो बताऊं कि हमारे ऑफिस में भी ना, मतलब they were like people, जब भी हम ऑफिस जाते थे किसी काम से, हमारे कंपनी तो हम तीनों जाते थे काम से, तो इनिशियली हमारे दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, ठीक है, तो लोग आके पूछते, अरे स्मृति आप यहाँ पे कर रहे हो, अरे सैंटाना अरे जानवी आप क्या, तो हम सोचते थे यार ये कैसे जानते हैं हमें, मतलब because we never met them and कि how do they even know अगर, and then we realized कि oh my god we are cherry bomb and we are faces of the company and of course they'll know us, and इस तरह से धीरे धीरे काफी चीजें होती है, and now अभी भी थोड़ा awkward हो जाते हैं, कोई आके बोलते अरे सैंटाना अरे स्मृति अरे जानवी चेरी बॉम्ब, like and मतलब we really don't know how to react to all these things, but it's really sweet, मतलब अच्छा लगता है of course when people know you and they know because of your work and they appreciate you and your talent and your hard work. But yeah, अभी थोड़ा सा आदत लगा रहे हैं हम इस चीज का.
I think the first time that there were like a couple of times when it felt like, oh, maybe we're gaining recognition for what we're doing, because first was when one of our earlier videos went over 1 million, crossed 1 million views, and that was First Class. I think that was the first video that we did. Yeah. And the production house for the movie Kalank reposted our video. We're like, oh my god, is this really happening? And then we did like a couple of other videos that celebrities that were directly linked with the work that we did, they reposted these videos on their official social media handles. And then one day, I think, I don't remember who else, but someone else was also telling me, I was in a mall and this lady approached me and she came to me and she said, "Aap Janvi ho kya?" तो मैंने कहा हाँ. कहते आप YouTube पे videos डालते हो? मैंने कहा हाँ. तो कहती है कि oh, my son watches your videos and he really likes watching you guys dance. And I was like, okay, thank you so much. I was speaking out and then I came back and told these guys. I think it happened with like one of you guys also.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I was just going to say that.
Yeah.
I felt it
both of you.
Yeah, it happened. I went to a street market to eat some food, and these couple of people, like these kids, came to me, and not kids, I don't know, I think around 11, 12 class. So they came to me and they were like, "Aap Santana ho na cherry bomb se?" So I still don't know how to take that. Even like abhi last week, I went out somewhere and they were like, "You put videos on YouTube, right? You're Santana, right?" And I went to a shoot or something again. I was like, yeah. Yeah. And then, "We love you. We're such big fans. Can we have a photo?" I was like, oh my god, this is new. Like that's the time when I realized it. That okay, we're something.
Yeah. Smriti, happened with you also ना once?
Yeah, मेरे साथ तो बहुत ही funny और बहुत ही awkward incident हुआ था. So one of my close friends, actually हम लोग कोई rehearsal के बाद ही I was all sweaty and my hair is like all it's all over the place when I do my rehearsal and everything. So वहीं से I went somewhere out to have something, and these two guys, they went to their places and I went to meet one of my friends. तो जो मेरी फ्रेंड थी वो अपनी एक फ्रेंड को लेकर आई हुई थी, and then we were talking and almost 1 घंटा हो गया था, and I was really tired and sleepy and all, and that girl, she was saying, the word आप ना किसी की तरह लगते हो बहुत. मैंने बोला अच्छा किसकी तरह? तो she was like, 1 सेकंड में दिखाती हूँ आपको. उसने खोला, उसने टिकटॉक ओपन किया, उसने हम तीनों की वीडियो निकाली. ये जो लड़की है ना, ये तो आप ही हो. Literally that happened and I was like, oh my god. How to react, मतलब कि तारीफ की देखती हुई क्या हुआ ये, what actually happened. She was like, oh my god.
You know, like with these instances also, you can see that your life has changed so much, you know, and there are so many such platforms like Rusk Media who are giving this chance to people who are not from the industry, so to speak. What do you have to say about that, the kind of opportunities that are now available to creators and aspiring artists? Santana, want to go first?
I mean, social media is just the game now, as in it's the thing. So we're utterly grateful. Like without social media and all these platforms that are being offered to us, I don't know what we'd be without them, because they're so important. And I don't know, we're utterly grateful for all of these platforms to exist in general. Like they're really upcoming, and that's how we're upcoming. So yeah.
Yeah, it has like it has played a very key role for the people who are not very much privileged, but they are talented at the same place, and it has helped them to showcase their talent through this platform, through the social media, because it's now everywhere with everyone. Social media, anytime you just open, you can see, and the power is so much. Abhi, you just put something and ऐसे viral होता है if anything is really good or equally bad. So yeah, so it has been provided kind of an opportunity to people who are not that much privileged in terms of economy, or who do not get the opportunity to have the platform, correct platform, or be on the right place. So even if they are really talented and hardworking, they can anytime post their work, and of course one day they'll surely get played, because that has like happened for all these while. So there are like a lot of examples of that. So yeah, it's a boom thing.
Yeah, definitely. I agree with what the both of them have said. And also, like everything comes with its pros and cons. Yes, everyone gets a platform, and everybody can showcase their talent, but at the same time, everybody's there. So, you really kind of have to find a way that you put yourself an edge over the others. And I think that is kind of like a challenge with social media, where how do you sort of identify yourself as an individual and kind of not fall into the trap of trends and what the others are doing, influencers and everything, and how you find your individuality in that. And I think it has great scope, because if you're original and you don't have as many resources as some people do, whether they come from a place of privilege or not. So it's a very good platform, because you can gain recognition very instantly because of it's nature, like it's social media, so like everyone's on it, they're all eyes on you and everything. But then yeah, it's like social media is so much more it's like FMCG, like the content that comes on social media, you have to keep creating to stay relevant, to stay alive on this medium. Whereas if like you see actors and all, they used to go on doing one film a year, and they would still be relevant. But now, because of social media booming everything, now actors have come on to social media to stay alive and do other things to like entertain people and show them, we're cool, we're trendy, we're up with the times and everything. So yeah, I think social media, like everything else, social media has its pros and cons, and we're very grateful for it, because it's been the only reason why we could be where we are right now. So yeah,
and your talent, of course.
That's about it.
Okay, great. So before I let you go, what is the one message each one of you would like to give aspiring creators?
Yeah, I would just want to say them that just believe yourself and keep working on your talent and keep polishing it, and always think how can you be different from others, and how can you can be unique and polish your talent in that way. So yeah, and keep working for it.
Janvi, what would yours be?
What she said, and be patient, and practice patience.
That's great.
Just 4 words: adapt, create, evolve, and don't give up. Because the time you will give up might be just the time when you're about to boom. So
Yeah.
That's really great advice. Thank you so much, guys. I've had so much fun talking to you, and I'm so glad this finally happened.
Yes.
that was fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was really
you.
fun. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Oh, good night. Take care.
Bye.
Take care.